everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm back with another pick a card reading, which is going to be will he or she come back? Whoever it is that you're dealing with, and they have left you, be that for another person, be that otherwise, maybe things ended between the two of you, and you really want that person to make a move towards you. So the question is going to be, will he or she come back to you? Yes or no? I have two piles here, green pile, yellow pile. Pick whichever pile you want to go for. In every pile, I have pulled out some message cards, some oracle cards, and tarot. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, before we dive into the reading, I would suggest you to choose one pile for your person, like for a specific someone. If you want to go for both the piles, but make sure you choose different piles for different people. Don't watch both the piles for the same person. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. I'm going to start with the green pile. So let's see, for the people who are choosing green pile, let's see, will she or he reach back to you or come back to you? Yes or no? Green pile. Let's take the oracle cards away, or the message cards away for some time. Let's start with the tarot first. Will he or she come back? Let's begin. Two of Swords, the Hermit, the Emperor. They will definitely come back to you. They will definitely. Whoever it is that you're dealing with, they are not sure about the connection about you right now. There's a lot of clarity that this person is having around the connection. There's a lot of hope that they see with you, or in this connection that they had with you. Whatever has happened between the two of you, this definitely made them think about things that they were not thinking before. So I feel like this ending that you might have experienced with this person had brought this situation in their heart right now about you, about this connection, where they are thinking positive for the two of you in this connection, and they are definitely trying to find out what can they do to make this connection stable, or to make it work. If they have been unsure of you or unsure of the connection, they are definitely getting that uh awareness around it, like whatever that was, like stopping them. I feel like they will figure it out, and they will try to make things work. If they had chosen somebody else over you, they will be coming back to you by choosing you. For some reasons, they will be breaking the ice as they embrace the feelings that they had with you. Like maybe they were not ready to embrace them, maybe they were not ready to accept those feelings for you. So I feel like they will do so. They will melt down, they will feel the love for you, they will embrace their emotions and feelings for you. So they definitely will come towards you. But as they do, I feel like there is going to be a lot of it's not gonna come easy. It's not gonna come quick. I feel like they will come to you, but after having a lot of realizations, after having them changed, with different experiences that they experience in the time frame where they are not in communication with you. But definitely, this person will be coming to you for sure, and then this person will be looking forward to have a stable beginning with you. They will not come and go again. Once they come back, I don't know, they might have done that in the past. They come and they go, and they come and they go. But now, when they come, it's going to last forever. Because they will be coming towards you if and only if they have the clarity. And if and when they have the clarity, they will never leave you again. Let's see what they want you to know. Stubborn in a good way. They are very stubborn in a good way, but they really want you to know, I have changed, believe me. So I feel like you pulling apart, or whatever made you part ways, that had changed them towards you, towards how they look at things, and their perspective as well. So they really want you to know that they have changed, they have completely changed, and you have to believe them. They will make you believe once they are back in your life for sure. Let's see the other cards now. Angels will guide you. Ask for help. If you need any assistance, if you need any further guidance, ask the angels. They will guide you through. It's time to heal yourself. As you wait for this person to come back, maybe you need to heal yourself as well. You could be dealing with earth sign. You yourself could be an earth sign. For some of you, maybe you're a person who is like, you are waiting for to change and to come back to you. Maybe they are like, somebody who has been very materialistic, somebody who's very practical. So maybe they thought that love was not their thing back then, but now when they will need somebody in their life emotionally, they will come to you. Be yourself, you are you. You don't have to change yourself for anyone. Just try to improve yourself to the max that you could, or become the best version of yourself as you wait. Intimacy you share is magical. The intimacy that you share is magical with this specific someone, and they will value that as well. Forever love. This person is definitely your forever love. Let's see more cards here. Prosperity. A gift of money is on its way. Your income is increasing. Manage your finances with love. I feel like, maybe for some of you, your person could have been very busy with their monetary gains. Like maybe they have been, very busy with them investing all their time and energy into their work and finances and stuff like that. As they do so, as they achieve the prosperity that they were looking for, they will come forward towards you in love. Let's see the last card here. Time out. You have been so busy taking care of everyone else's need, but now it's time to stop and take care of yourself. It can be a message for you, it can be a message for the person that you are dealing with as well. Maybe they felt that they have done everything for everyone out there in their life. Now it's time for them to take care of themselves and their needs. And when they think of their need, you are the topmost priority for them. They really need you. They really need the love that you used to give to them. So I feel like, it could be a message from them, but it can be a message for you as well. Especially if you have been giving a lot of love to your person, and now as you are away from this person, use this time to heal yourself, to love yourself as you would like to be loved by this person. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for the people who chose the first pile, which is the green pile. So if the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Let's move on to the second pile, which is the yellow pile. Let's see. For the people who are choosing yellow pile, let's find out what's happening in this connection. Will he or she come back to you? Yes or no? I'm going to include the cards, oracle cards and the message cards as we proceed. Let's start with the tarot first. Will he or she come back to you? Let's find out. Ace of Pentacles, a big yes. Ace of Swords, a big yes. Woo! Nine of Cups, a big, 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 big yes. Big yes with big blessings coming your way, and stable offer, communication, which leads to something which you desire with this person. He or she, whoever it is that you are dealing with, yes, they are coming towards you, and that too very quick, very swift. I feel like, once they are coming to you, or once they have decided they want to be back in your life, things will move very, very, very fast in the connection. I feel like, whoever it is that you're dealing with, they will be coming towards you after a lot of thought process, clarity, and everything. Like, whoever it is that you are dealing with, whoever it is that you are asking about, I feel like, this person is coming with a big bang, with a stable offer, maybe marriage, commitment, engagement, something around those lines, nothing less than that. Because I feel like, this person is going to bring you one of your wish fulfilled, which you cannot even think of getting through, or, coming through right now. So them coming back is not going to be less than any miracle for you. Plus, it's going to be like your wish fulfillment as well. So definitely, this person, whoever it is that you are asking about, yes, they are definitely coming back, and that too very quick. I don't think that they will take longer than maybe a week time or so. They will be back in your life before that. So let's see, what do they want you to know? What are their messages for you? Short-tempered and aggressive. Maybe you, whoever it is that you're dealing with, maybe you have ended recently with this person. Maybe you have been, going on and off with this person, because there is a short temper, in this connection, which is a big issue here between the two of you. Somebody gets aggressive. Somebody has really short temper when it comes to dealing with, each other. But I feel like, once this person is back, maybe they have experienced the loss of you in some way. Like maybe they would feel like they have lost you in a way or two. Now as they do come back, I feel like, their short temperedness or aggressiveness will not let this connection suffer. They will come back to you with a clarity that yes, they don't want to lose you. So for sure, things will go smooth and stable. I'm not ready for commitment. They might have told you that, they were not ready for commitment. Or maybe, that could have been the main issue in the connection. Like, maybe they told you that I'm not ready for commitment, and that made them, maybe you told them so, or they told you so, and that's how, the connection ended. But somehow maybe they're gonna feel like, oh my god, maybe I'm not ready for commitment, but if I don't commit, maybe I'm gonna lose this person. So that clarity is coming in that person's mind around this connection. And I feel like, as they absorb it, as they kind of, understand that they can definitely risk losing you here if they choose not to, it's definitely gonna, like, give them a shake up and a wake up call. They will lose you if they don't get into a committed relationship with you. That is going to be the changing moment for them, which is going to make them understand, okay, fine, I cannot take that risk. So they will come forward, and they will not, let the, short temperedness or any aggressiveness around this connection, or around, or within them, or within you, affect or influence the connection negatively, because you are their wish fulfillment. So I feel like, it's like, you both want to be together, but maybe you want a commitment they don't want. But having said that, as they have this fear they might lose you if they don't commit to you, they will come back to commit to you. They will let you know, okay, fine, I'm not ready for commitment, but I'm doing so because of you, and I don't want to lose you. So that's going to be their attitude. Don't expect heavily around this person. They will commit to you, but they still be themselves. Like, they are getting married to you, or they are getting committed to you because you want them to. Else they might not be giving you enough time. So always wish, always know what you are wishing for. You are getting your wish fulfilled, but be prepared. Your person is not 100% ready to give you the commitment. You are making them do so, and which is perfectly fine, as long as you understand where this person is coming from. They love you, they don't want to miss, or they don't want to risk losing you, but at the same time you need to understand they might not be giving you as much time as you would want, because right now they might have other things on their plate right now. So just be aware of that. So let's see more cards here. Let's see what else is happening. Follow your heart and let it lead you. Whatever it is that you want, follow your heart. It will lead you through the right path forward. So we do have, you are divinely guided. You both are divinely guided in this connection. Affirmations will help, especially if you are waiting for this person to give into the connection. Maybe you can use affirmation and to, get the result that you want. Love, luck is bestowed upon you. Whatever it is that you want, you are definitely getting that wish fulfilled. Strong-headed and independent. It can be you, it can be them as well. But yes, again, be prepared that this person is not ready. So you are making them to get ready to give you the commitment. So maybe you might be having some fights later on with this person, or arguments with this person, because you both are, like, kind of aggressive, or maybe childish in a way or two. But yes, I do see you getting your wish fulfilled, whatever it is that you want with them. So let's see the last two oracle cards. Patience. Pause before you take action. Trust that divine timing is at work. Be patient and play while you wait. If you have to wait, maybe you can go slow, but yes, you still, like, it's your choice, your call. Whatever you want, you are definitely getting it. You want it quick, you getting it quick. You want it to kind of, slow down, it will slow down. But yes, make sure you know what you are asking for. You are definitely going to get it. So just be careful with that. Then we do have, keep charging ahead and don't take no for an answer. Expect miraculous solutions to appear. You have to make up your mind. Do you want this person? Do you want the commitment? Do you want this person to come back to you? Once made up your mind, let it come, let it happen. So I do see you definitely getting your wish fulfilled, but yes, be sure that you don't feel like, oh my god, why did I even wish for that, because you are getting it. So just be clear with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for the people who chose the yellow pile. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you are willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. If you are struggling to make affirmations for your love life, you can always reach out to me for the spiritually charged affirmations, which definitely work faster than the other affirmations. So you can check the further, details around it on the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.